Hello, my name's Dominic Fonte with Cutler Real Estate. Thanks for showing up today with my virtual walkthrough. Since you can't be with me, let me give you a quick demo through the house so you get a sense of what you have here. Now this property is at 2412 Duane Avenue Northwest, located in Massillon, Ohio, Massillon Schools. Priced aggressive. This is a one floor plan, meticulous condition. It just needs a little cosmetic updating. There's hardwoods under lots of the floors, so I'll show you a sneak peek at that. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, full basement, 1 car attached garage, and a very lovely backyard with a storage barn. So let me give you a quick tour. I'm gonna let you see outside here real quick so you get a sense of the view. So here's a look-see down the road. Okay. So now we're going to take a look. So we're in the living room right now. And let me show you the carpeting and the hardwoods. So in the corner, we're going to peel up the floor and look. So here's a picture window. Take another look here. Nice little picket fence. Okay. Here's the corner. Let me just show you what this looks like. So you can see the hardwood there. It's beautiful. So that's underneath the living room. Okay. Back to the front door. Okay, so now this is the dining area. There's a sliding door to a 3-season Florida room. Let's take a peek out here real quick. So this is right off of the kitchen. All right. So there's a school straight in the back here. Grade school. Here's a little storage barn. Nice yard. And then over here, you have a patio. So you can have a little cookout here. Nice private yard. Okay, so the kitchen, it looks like maple cabinets. So this is a galley kitchen. You have a dishwasher right here. Okay. Plenty of cabinets. Okay, let's see what the window view looks like. So over the sink, this is basically your view. Okay. All right, let's go look at the bedrooms now. Plenty of room for a dining table. Here's your storage. And it looks like the crawl space is up there. Another view to the front. So here's the hallway. Got 2 closets, it looks like, and then the bathroom. So you got a nice pink tub here, cast iron tub. See the window? That's the back view. All right. Okay, let's go look at the first bedroom here. Again, you got this older carpeting. This is the smallest room. Hardwoods under here. Let's take a peek in the closet. Yeah, you can see the hardwood floor there, which is pretty nice. Okay. All this is like maple finish. Very nice woodwork. A lot of people now are painting that. The walls are plaster. All right, so I'm coming in here from the hallway. Oh, it looks like the master. All right, you got a nice double closet. So this is a ranch, all one floor. So there's hardwoods under here. Let's look at the bathroom. So in the master bath, it looks like toilet, pedestal, and of course a shower, which is great. Let's take a peek at that. So it's like a taupey color. All right, let's see what the window view is here. All right, continue down the path to the last bedroom. Now this one doesn't have any carpeting on it. Let's take a look at those floors. They're in very nice shape. Okay. All right. Let's back up here so we can get a better look. So yeah, you got a little double closet. I would say this is probably the smallest bedroom. Okay, now as we head out of the bedrooms back to the dining area. Okay, there's your Florida room, right? Okay. I'm in the dining room, looking to the left to the front door. Of course, then you got the living room, which has beautiful hardwood floors underneath. Let's take a quick look in the basement. So here we have our nice pool table area, huh? Paneling, red carpeting. Boy, that brings back some fond memories for me. A decorative fireplace. So it smells nice and dry down here. Let's go in and look at the utility room for a second. Wow, okay. Looks like the washer and dryer hook up here. Tons of storage. Okay, water heater looks to be updated. Hey, look, you even have a stove. You can do some canning. Forced air gas furnace with air conditioning. So this would be all your storage. And it even looks like if you look at the air ducts, they may have had those cleaned. That's what those plugs are for. Plenty of storage. Okay. So thanks for tuning in today. I'm glad you had a chance to walk through the home with me here in Massillon. Beautiful home, great starter retirement home. You can reach me, Dominic Fonte, at 330-418-1535 or go to dominicfonte.com and check out more homes and tours. Thanks again.